Picture this, 16 offers in just 4 days on the market. Needless to say, this house sold over asking and our client was thrilled. We are spilling the beans on our game-changing tweaks that helps to make this happen. Get ready because these tips will help you sell your home like a champ. Welcome everyone, my name is Maithili. I'm the owner of Style Bite Staging. We are a staging and design firm based in Toronto area. Come and witness how our styling expertise turned our client's home into a stunning transformation that the buyers fell in love with. By applying these tips, you can be next to sell your home over asking. Before listing an occupied home, our first step is always a pre-listing consultation. During this session, we walk through each area, discussing what items to keep, what to remove, optimal furniture placement, how to prepare for showings, and even tips for pet owners. We also discuss staging plan during this meeting, ensuring the client is fully on board with our vision. Fortunately, our client took our advice to heart and implemented all our recommendations. So when staging day rolled around, the place was primed and ready for staging transformation. We transformed the dining room by recommending to keep only the table and clearing all other personal items. So this pre-packing and minimalistic approach creates a more spacious and neutral canvas, allowing potential buyers to envision themselves in the space without any distraction. We brought in dining chairs, artwork, decor pieces to highlight this room. You can see how these changes created a huge impact from these pictures. From the living room, we recommended to declutter and remove personal items to create clean and spacious environment. We retained the existing sofa, accent chairs and lamps, and we brought in coffee table, throw pillows for the sofa, and a rug to define the space and add texture. We selected an art that complemented the sofa. We completed the look by styling the coffee table. All these changes helped create a welcoming and inviting living room. By the way, if you want to see more transformations like this video and subscribe for more content. Okay, moving on to the den area upstairs, the original layout of the room appeared to have lack of purpose and therefore you couldn't see the potential in this room. To solve this problem, we turned this room into a proper living space. The reason for this is that living rooms increase the home's value. We were able to achieve this goal by working with the client's sofa and adding our accent chairs, a coffee table, artwork, and other decor pieces to create a functional layout. For the master bedroom, we removed personal items and introduced bedding with a soothing color palette of white, beige, and gray for a serene aesthetic, and throw pillows were added to enhance the style. Since the bed and night tables were dark and heavy, we strategically placed 2 mirrors to help amplify the brightness and make the room appear more spacious. And by the way, we want to know what is the one technique that you will use to enhance the look of your home. Drop it below in the comments. Okay, now moving on to the basement. In transforming the basement, we needed to declutter the entire area to show the potential in this whole space. And this is a walkout basement in this house, and it's really important to show its full potential to make the most money out of this property. So when it came to staging, less is more. It's important to remove as much as possible while only keeping the key pieces. In this case, our clients didn't have the ability to move the large pieces of furniture such as the sectional and the pool table. So we worked around and we added decor and artwork and accessories to amplify the space. Throughout this process, we ensured that the original decor items complemented our new additions, resulting in a balanced and beautiful spaces that showcase the full potential of this house. If you're interested in learning about our go-to items that we use to style occupied homes, check out the link below for another video in the description. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in attracting buyers and showcasing the full potential of your home. Thanks for watching and happy selling. Don't forget to subscribe, like for more information like this. See you on the next one.